7140 there. Everybody knows that the diesels run on hydraulics. If there's any air in the system, it will not start. So these cases back here on the back of the injection pump there's a little bleed screw. If you don't know about it, you can crank this thing forever and it will not start. I can see an air bubble there. And then you have your little primer pump. Pump away, you can hear all the air in the pump there. It's fuel coming out. Got a nice steady stream, and it should fire right up. Hey, you're still watching, great. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You never know what you're gonna get. If it's got a throttle, we work on it. Help support the channel by picking up a tape boss off tapeboss.com.
And remember, if you're not filthy, you're not rich.